Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fun English Duo. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Thomas. Hi, friends. It's wonderful to see you again.
Today, we're talking about a very powerful topic,
Yes, something that many learners want
something that can change your English forever.
and make speaking much easier.
Today, we will learn how to think in English.
Slowly, naturally, step by step.
No pressure, no stress, just calm English training.
Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to Fun English Duo.
And like this lesson if you want to speak English more confidently.
And share with a friend who is learning English too. We really appreciate your support.
All right, ready to begin?
I'm ready. Let's start this journey.
Let's start in a simple way, with a simple idea. Thinking in English begins with small thoughts.
Very small, very simple.
No long sentences,
No difficult vocabulary.
just small English thoughts.
Imagine, you wake up in the morning,
You open your eyes,
and instead of thinking in your language, you say, in English,
I wake up.
I open my eyes.
It's morning.
That's it.
Simple,
Very simple.
but very powerful.
Now repeat with us, slowly.
I wake up.
I open my eyes.
It's morning.
Good. Small steps.
Step by step, your brain becomes comfortable with English thoughts.
Next, you go to brush your teeth.
So, think in English again.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I drink water.
That is thinking practice.
And it's easy.
And you can do it every day.
Every morning.
Now, let's relax the mind.
Take one slow breath.
Thinking in English is not fast.
It is quiet.
It is calm.
It is gentle.
Now, imagine your morning again.
But this time, think silently with us.
I wake up.
I sit up.
I stretch.
I breathe.
I stand up. See, you are already thinking in English.
Step by step.
Now, let's talk about your day.
You go to the kitchen.
Say, I make breakfast.
I eat bread.
I drink tea.
I feel good.
Wonderful.
Simple English thoughts build English thinking.
Okay, now imagine you're getting ready to go outside.
Put on your shoes.
Say, I put on my shoes.
I take my keys.
I go outside.
I walk.
Nice. Very nice.
This is real English practice.
You don't need a book.
You don't need a teacher.
You only need your daily life.
And simple English sentences.
Now, let's practice thinking about feelings.
Yes, feelings are important.
In the morning, say,
I feel calm.
I feel good.
I feel ready.
I can learn.
Excellent. You are doing very well.
Thinking in English doesn't mean big sentences.
No need to say, today I will accomplish many productive tasks.
Just say, I work today.
I study today.
I learn English today.
Easy.
Simple.
Beautiful.
Now, let's try evening thoughts.
End of day English thoughts.
I relax.
I sit down.
I eat dinner.
I feel tired.
I go to sleep. You see, you can think in English all day with simple lines.
No stress, no pressure.
Now, let's talk about pictures in your mind.
Yes, English thinking is not only words.
Sometimes, don't say anything. Just imagine pictures.
Pictures help your brain connect ideas.
Example, think of a cup of tea.
Think of a book.
Think of the sun.
No need to say teacup, book, sun.
Your mind already knows.
That is also thinking in English because you are not translating.
Now, let's practice tiny thought training.
One sentence, pause, one sentence.
Repeat quietly. I listen.
I understand.
I learn slowly.
Slow is good.
I don't rush.
I don't translate.
I think in English.
Very good.
Excellent.
Now, Thomas, what about mistakes?
Mistakes are normal.
Yes, if you make a mistake in your mind, it's okay.
Just try again gently.
English grows with time, not pressure.
You are allowed to be slow.
Slow learning is strong learning.
Let's talk to our future self.
Oh, yes, good idea.
Say, I will think in English.
I will speak confidently.
I will improve every day.
I believe in myself.
You are building a new mind.
A mind that understands English.
A mind that uses English naturally.
Little steps every day.
Now, let's do a quiet 10-second English thinking moment.
Yes, only English thoughts inside.
Good.
Very good.
Now, let's imagine a walk now.
Imagine it slowly.
I walk outside.
The air feels nice.
I see trees.
I hear sounds.
I breathe. That is English meditation.
Mind training. Language training.
Now, imagine you are studying.
You open your book.
I study English.
I learn new words.
I understand slowly.
I enjoy learning.
Wonderful.
Very peaceful practice.
Now, let's try talking about future.
Small, simple future thoughts.
I will practice again.
I will improve.
My English will grow.
I can do this.
Nice.
Very nice.
Now, think about yourself.
Positive English thoughts.
I am learning.
I am growing.
I am getting better.
I am proud of myself.
Good. Stay positive. English thinking needs confidence.
Okay, let's imagine a real life moment.
You are making tea. Say, I boil water.
I add tea.
I wait.
I drink tea.
It feels good. Easy, right?
Everyday moments equal English practice.
Now let's try something new. Visual commands.
Yes, good exercise.
When I say a sentence, imagine it.
Ready?
I sit.
I stand.
I walk.
I smile.
I rest.
Perfect. Your brain is learning English deeply.
Now, we go quiet again. Only English thoughts inside. Nicely done.
Very nice.
Thomas, some people feel shy to practice,
Yes, thinking alone feels strange at first.
but it gets easier every day.
And nobody needs to hear you.
English thinking is private practice. It happens inside your mind.
Let's try travel thoughts now.
Good idea.
I go to the airport.
I have a ticket.
I wait in line.
I sit in the plane.
I arrive.
Next, shopping thoughts.
Simple ones.
I need bread.
I go to the store.
I buy fruit.
I pay money.
I go home. Cooking thoughts.
I cut vegetables.
I mix ingredients.
I cook slowly.
I enjoy my food.
Beautiful.
Everyday English. Job thoughts.
I go to work.
I check emails.
I talk to people.
I finish tasks.
And at the end of the day,
I rest.
I sleep.
I did a good job today.
Very good.
Very calm
Yeah.
learning. Let's repeat confidence sentences again. I can think in English.
I don't need to translate.
I trust myself.
I improve every day.
English is becoming natural. Wonderful.
So good.
Now let's smile for 1 second.
Smiling helps the brain learn.
Time for a small, quiet break again.
Nice.
Very peaceful.
Thinking in English is a habit.
A tiny habit.
1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes,
A little every day.
and soon your mind will move in English. Let's finish with final thoughts. I believe in myself.
I enjoy English.
I get better every day.
English is part of my life.
Great job today.
Truly great.
Thank you for learning with us.
If you enjoyed this, please subscribe.
And tell us in the comments, what English thoughts did you practice today?
We would love to read your answers.
Keep practicing.
Keep thinking in English.
And see you next time.